Hey guys, I'm making another video today, and today I got fan art, and the fan art is right here. And since I got like 11 subscribers, I'm gonna show everybody my bird. So this is the fan art. It's Dragon Ball Z fan art, and since I showed you this, now I'm gonna go show you my bird. Let's go.
You're charging. Okay.
I'm gonna say.
All right, this is my bird. His name is Mango, because the colors of us remind him of a mango. Dance, 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 dance. He's coming over there. Now you can see him better in the light. I don't know why he's shy right now. I think it's because of the tablet.
No, last time remember when he was bleeding right there. Tell them.
Oh yeah, one time he got cut by his cage, and we had to fix him up. And his wing is all better.
And Tito, tell them about the other bird.
Oh yeah, we had another bird named Tweety like 4 years ago, and it died.
Oh, the other one. The other bird had the leg broken.
Oh, so come on, Mango, dance. I'm recording from this angle because I think it's better. Dance, 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 dance,
Tell
dance,
them in
dance,
the
dance,
live
dance.
action. And the bird who got broken in his leg.
Mango, come on.
Tito, tell
You don't want to be
them.
in the video? All right, guys, that was
He's
my
really
little.
shy.
That was my little 10 subscriber video for the bird. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Dad. See you. Amen.